It starts with a creative idea and manifests with the experience handed down through generations of the finest craftsmen. With the skilled hands of a surgeon and the precision of an eagle's eye, nature's raw materials are transformed into finely finished works of art. This is the exquisite world of Miguel Marchisini, master woodworker. For every piece of wood, there is a special vision. Combining the best of yesterday's designs with today's most advanced technology and techniques, the enduring quality of days gone by is brought back to life. Whether creating a single masterpiece or a roomful of distinctive furnishings, unequaled excellence and craftsmanship can be yours. Distinctive, classic, intricate, unique. Attention to detail is the trademark that stands the test of time. Attention to detail is the trademark of Miguel Marchisini. Let his exquisite world become part of yours.